Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 28th of February. The euro rose to 131.37 against the US dollar after Ben Bernanke testified again yesterday in front of the Congress. He stated that the economic recovery is still fragile and defended the monetary expansion, followed by the Federal Reserve. As asset purchasing through monetary expansion is expected to continue, we may see a further slide to the dollar. On other news, ECB President Mario Draghi confirmed yesterday that the European recovery is still weak and the bank will not hesitate to use all tools at its disposal to implement the policy objectives. Gold continues its gains, reaching 1601 as investors correct the previous sharp sell-off of the precious metal. The pivot point for gold remains at 1608, from which we may see it consolidate higher gains. WTI crude dropped to 92.55 after 97.65 a few days ago. The crude oil looks set to complete a pennant formation, which may see its volatility rise abruptly. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar dropped to 10.35 as investors' greed increases and option values slide. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.65. The dollar-yen pivot points at 91.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 91.80. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.20. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 151.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 151.10. The dollar CAD pivot points at 102.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.55. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 94.25. The gold pivot points at 1608 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1608. The silver pivot points at 28.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.80. The US 500 is at 1497 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1497. And the UK 100 is at 6250 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6250. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe at 8:55 GMT, we have the German unemployment change forecast to drop by 5,000. Also at 10 GMT, we have the CPI year-on-year forecast to rise by 2%. And in the US at 13:30 GMT, we have the unemployment claims expected at 361,000. And our pair of interest today is the dollar-yen. The US dollar moved higher against a weakening Japanese yen. The pair, currently at 92.40, strengthened as Kuroda is nominated the new Bank of Japan governor. Haruko Kuroda is well known for his preference to expansionary monetary policy to stimulate growth, as well as reduce Japan's deflationary spiral. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.